Namaste, Suprabhatam Sarvesham. Very good morning to everyone. Think properly before speaking. Listen carefully before responding. Because listening is very important. The following shloka tells about this concept. Shrutvaa Dharma Vijaanāti, Shrutvaa Tyajati Durmatim, Shrutvaa Jnānamavāpnoti, Shrutvaa Mokshamavāpnuyāt. By listening to the teachings, one person understands righteousness of Dharma. By listening, one person discards the bad thoughts, that is called as Durmati. By listening, one person attains the knowledge. By listening, one person attains the liberation, that is called as moksha. So this is a lucid explanation given in the shloka. Shrutvaa Dharmam Vijaanāti. This is the first part. This means that by listening to the teachings of Dharma, that means righteousness or moral law, the one person gains an understanding of what is right and what is virtuous in the life. Listening to the right knowledge helps a person to recognize the path of righteousness. And the second part, Shrutvaa Tyajati Durmatim. By listening to the right teachings, one can discard Durmati. Durmati is called bad, wicked or misguided thoughts. The wisdom gained from the listening to righteous teachings helps us to purify the mind and steer it away from the negative or harmful ideas. The next part, Shrutvaa Jnānamavāpnoti. Listening to the knowledge, particularly spiritual knowledge or wisdom, leads to the attainment of the true understanding. It suggests that wisdom and intellectual clarity are gained through the process of the attentive listening and learning. And ultimately, Shrutvaa Moksham Avāpnuyāt. By listening to the good teachings, one person can attain moksha, that is called liberation or freedom from the cycle of birth and death. The ultimate goal of spiritual wisdom is liberation, and listening to the right teachings is the key to achieve this liberation. So the total message given in this shloka is very important. This shloka emphasizes the power and importance of listening to teachings and knowledge. It explains that through attentive listening, one can understand the path of righteousness, discard harmful thoughts, and acquire wisdom, and ultimately he can attain liberation. The verse highlights how critical learning and listening are useful in moral growth of a person. Hence, elders told that first be a good listener. So, with this information, we are going to conclude this shloka again. Shrutvaa Dharmam Vijaanāti, Shrutvaa Tyajati Durmatim, Shrutvaa Jnānamavāpnoti, Shrutvaa Mokshamavāpnuyāt. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you everyone.